Stop chasing love and relationships and let them chase you. Use the power of the law of attraction to have the kind of relationship you desire in your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Hey, we are absolutely grateful that you are subscribing to our channel, that you've clicked the bell icon, because we're here all the time, ready to empower your life with the law of attraction. Are you chasing love? Come on now. Are you? Are you chasing love? Do you keep calling and texting, maybe a little begging and giving in all the time and receiving very little in return? You can change that dynamic using law of attraction. High flyers, there's an interesting truth. The faster you chase, the harder you chase, the harder and faster they run. Because chasing is opposite of the law of attraction. It is the opposite energy of what you need to literally have them begging to spend more time with you. So high flyers, in this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas that will help you get them coming after you. You'll be using the law of attraction to get them wanting you, begging to be with you, chasing you, wanting to reconcile, rather than you hoping and wishing and wondering if it's ever going to work out or if it's ever going to happen. So high flyers, you can save your relationship. We believe if you loved once and loved deeply, you can love again the second time around. But we also believe that you can have a greater relationship with your partner. And we believe that even your partner who may have some really bad habits and treat you in ways that you don't like, maybe, not just maybe, it's for certain that your partner's behavior will change as you begin to shift your frequency, because people's behavior oftentimes are reflected by frequency. You see, high flyers, when you chase love and when you're chasing a relationship, you're sending out a lack vibration. You're telling the universe, I don't have it. I don't have what I want. I don't have the relationship that I desire. And so the universe says, oh, okay, I understand. Let's give him more lack. Let's give her more loneliness. Let's give her more despair, because that's what she has. And obviously, that's what she wants. You see, the more you want, this is important. The more you want, the less you get. Because wanting is a lack mentality. It says, I don't have. And it is opposite law of attraction. Look, the universe is very, very clear. This is simple, high flyers. What you are and what you project in your beliefs, in your subconscious mind, what you project outward is what the universe reflects back to you. It's not a theory. It's not a new age idea. It's a law. It's how it works. As Stephen Covey says in his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, he says, look, every creation is created twice. First in the mind, and then in the physical world. 5D, 3D. So important to understand that. So some people say, well, but Robert, I'm filled with anxiety. Okay, so anxiety is looking toward the future and worrying about it. And sorrow and doubt and fear is looking toward the past and reliving the pain of being hurt or rejected. What we want to do is live right now. Live right now. So the first thing we're going to want to do is sit down with pencil and paper. Just grab a pen like this and write out a 30-second film. I call this a frequency film. And you're going to write out a 30-second film as if it were happening right now or in present time. And the film might have something like the two of you in your new house together, maybe driving to a dinner appointment together, walking along the beach together. It should have 3 or 4 scenes. Write out the scenes so they're very clear and concise to you. And then 10 minutes when you wake up in the morning, just before you jump out of bed, before you turn on your iPhone, before you do all of that, just give yourself 10 minutes. 10 minutes in the morning of playing that little video, that frequency film. Why do we call it a frequency film? Because it shifts your frequency. And begin living your new reality. What you're literally doing, high flyers, is you are drawing a reality that already exists in your mind from a parallel timeline into your reality. So the more you begin to do this exercise, and you just play it over and over again. It's 30 seconds. It's a little film that you've created, a little snippet, and you play it over and over again for about 8 to 10 minutes, okay? You don't have to time yourself. Just 7, 10 minutes, somewhere around there. You do that every morning, then you get out of bed, then you start your morning routine. But what you're doing is, look, that first 10 minutes before you get out of bed is the most important 10 minutes, other than when you fall asleep, the most important 10 minutes of your day. And it sets a new energy frequency for the entire day. It makes attracting so much easier. And you're going to be literally shocked at how much you start to receive what you desire. You see, you have to want it and not want it at the same time. Because if you want it, that's a lack mentality. But certainly you do. You do have a desire for it, for whatever it is. The relationship, a reconciliation, a new relationship. It's all about the same. Now, high flyers, as you fall asleep at night, you're going to play that same film that you wrote out. You wrote out about 4 scenes. You're going to play it again in your mind. And you're going to play it until you fall asleep. This is kind of an old Neville Goddard trick. It really works in helping you to reprogram your subconscious mind. It takes you out of the state of need. It takes you out of a lack mentality, and it says to the universe, look what I have. Look what I'm living. And the universe gives you more of it. It amplifies it 10 times, 100 times, 1,000 times. Now, what are you going to do the rest of the day? You're going to let go. Maybe you're going to take 5 minutes and focus on gratitude, a gratitude journal. And again, you're going to go through that snippet that you made, and you're going to say, I am so grateful that the two of us are falling in love again as we walk along the beach in Hawaii or wherever it's at. You get the idea. And you're going to write it in your gratitude journal, because your gratitude journal helps you keep your frequency high during the middle of the day, during that lull, when you start to get tired and your defenses go down and you start to wonder and worry and doubt and have all those lower vibrational emotions. That's the time you pull out that beautiful gratitude journal and begin using it. So high flyers, if we can help you, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com and claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching. It's free. But in the meantime, let go. Just do your work in the morning, get up with your day, do your gratitude journal in the afternoon, do your work at night, watch that frequency film that you've created, and you're going to notice how good you feel, how optimistic you feel, how wonderful you feel, how your vibration is expanding, how other people, strangers, are going to be more friendly to you. Co-workers are going to go, what have you done different? It's just your frequency. It's your vibration. And the person that you're interested in is tapped into it. They have to be. They're part of this universe. And they're going to feel it. And all of a sudden, they're going to go, I think I need to call her. I think I need to text her. And the door opens, and the two of you begin again. Or wherever you're at. Be open to receiving. Expect to receive. Don't hope for it. If you say, I hope for it, I hope it works out, then you are negating it. You're putting down the power of the universe. Once you do this exercise every day, then open yourself up to receiving. And don't you dare ask when it's going to happen. It's going to happen when it happens. And it usually happens sooner than later when you let go. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.